Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. See, by now you guys should be enjoying Vlogtober is here and we are killing it. Like, we are doing our best already. Thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for the love, the comment, the like, the subscription. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I don't take any of it for granted. And if this is your first time seeing this channel, you are very welcome. What we are doing today is different, okay? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can incorporate beetroot, okay? We all know the good health benefits of beetroot. So today we'll be incorporating it into our famous puff puff. Everybody loves puff puff. Everybody loves a very nice puff puff. So we are trying to make it a bit healthy, though puff puff is an oily food, but this way we can be sure we are eating something amazing into our body. So guys, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I'm trying to chop this in a smaller bit so my blender can tolerate it and do the good work. So what I'm going to do now, because the measurement of puff puff I'm making, I will need 1.5 cup of water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this with 1 cup of water. Okay, you can see how beautiful this look, guys. Like, it came out looking so nice. I love beetroot. I love it for its original color. Like, this is a very nice food, okay? So I blended with 1 cup of water and I kept the other half to be added later, like to be added while I'm mixing, just to get this whole thing juiced out, okay? So next I'm going to sieve this beetroots. I'm going to sieve it because what we need is the juice, okay? I'm not using the shafts from it. I just need the juice. So I'm going to sieve it out and yeah, get the juice out, and I will be adding a bit of water from the half cup I preserved to get everything out from these shafts, okay? So guys, this is what our juice look like. I left this bit of water just in case this comes out too hot after heating it up. So you want to heat this up because we need warm water to mix our puff puff. Instead of adding plain hot water or warm water, we are going to heat this up because this is the liquid we will be using. So I'm just going to heat this up and yeah, we'll get right back. So my juice came out too hot. I allowed it to rest for some time, and later I came back. I put my hands in it, my fingers, and the temperature was a bit okay. Then I added the other half of my water, and that was it. Like, the temperature was okay now. So now we are going to mix our puff puff. What we are using is our puff puff mix. I'll leave the link to the video in the description or even in the comment section, so do well to check out what we have in this mix. Okay, that will save you a lot of time. So I needed 2 cups, and yeah, I measured out 2 cups. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of my mix of my juice first and mix, then I'll add the other half. So it's as simple as this. You want to mix thoroughly to make sure everything is covered with the color or with the red from the beetroot. Okay, so here's the other half, and I'm just going to add this, and this is everything. Like I said, what you need for the 2 cups of our puff puff mix is 1.5 cup of water. That will give you a very good and sturdy consistency. You can see for yourself how fine it is, how the consistency came out perfect. So I'm just going to mix thoroughly. So once you are done mixing, you want to cover with a pot lid or a foil paper, cling film, whatever cover you know can trap the air or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to add some boiling water in a smaller bowl, and then I'll place my bowl of puff puff mixture on top like so. And because I trust this mixture very well, this is what happens 8 minutes later. Okay, so this is the best way to proof your puff puff faster, mostly if you don't have time to wait 45-50 minutes to enjoy your puff puff. So you just want to deflate the air in it with your hands. You want to deflate it with your hands, and then you proceed to frying. It's as simple as it looks already. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed to frying this gorgeousness.